Talk weather. If you missed the top of the show, Scott's here to walk us through the rest of the night, how wet and then how chilly, because it's already dropped significantly from earlier today in terms of temperature.
That's right. Some temperatures were about 35 degrees colder than this time yesterday behind the front, and we're going to see those temperatures continue to drop. And we have some rain that's on the radar for us right now. As we're taking a look, though, in the Panhandle, it's snow. I was going to show this to you a little bit later on, but you can see it is October and it is snowing there in the Panhandle, already coming down in Texas. National Weather Service there in Amarillo showing that they were describing whiteout conditions as well. So at one point today, Texas game wardens were out in case any drivers were stranded and needed some help. And just across the border from Texas, in the Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma there, as you can see, the heavy snow came down as well this afternoon with the upper level low that's moving its way through. All right, here's the radar, what's going on, and we do have the rain that's continuing over parts of North Texas. We do have some pockets of some heavier rain and then making their way through parts of the Metroplex from Keller up to the Roanoke area, also stretching to near Duncanville down to DeSoto, Glen Heights as well, getting a little bit closer to the Ferris area. We are seeing some of that heavier rain that's moving through, and the wide view shows we still have that stream of moisture in place. The frontal boundary's made its way down to the southeast, but we still have that upper level energy shifting overhead. So back towards the north and the west, this is what I was going to show you, and you can see the snow continue to rotate its way through. Amarillo starting to come to an end just a bit more, but still we have winter weather advisories out for parts of the Panhandle, even west sides of Oklahoma as that cold air settles in. Closer towards home, we've seen that anywhere between about 1/2 of an inch to near 2.5 inches of rain in some localized spots, and we're not done with the rain through the remainder of the night. The potential rainfall shows we could pick up another 1.5 to 2.5 inches through Friday and then even into Saturday in some spots of North Texas. So the front's well down to the south and the east, and you see the rain is going to be off and on through the remainder of the night. Tomorrow morning, have the umbrella with you, have the coat on as well. We're going to be seeing the rain around off and on through the day Friday into Friday afternoon into the evening hours. Before then, we start to see the rain end going into early Saturday morning, about a 20 to 30% chance. All that rotates out, and we see sunshine by the time we go into Saturday afternoon and then into Sunday. So we talked about those cooler temperatures. Right now, it is 44 in Bowie, 43 in Graham, to 47 in Denton, 57 in McKinney, to the low 60s in Terrell. So the cold air is slowly shifting down to the southeast, and we do have temperatures 30 degrees colder than this time yesterday in Graham to about 17 degrees colder than this time yesterday in Dallas. So overnight tonight in the Metroplex, down into the mid-40s. Our outlying locations maybe the mid to the low 40s. Wanted to show you that on the wide view, here is that upper level trough that's rotating its way through. So that is why we still have the rain that's going to continue through Friday, and as that upper level trough then finally shifts its way to the east, we see the dry air move back in. So by Sunday, that's your best weekend day. Get outside, you have the sunshine. Then we have another cold front on the way, and with that, more cloud cover. Tuesday to Wednesday, rain chances 30%. That front moves through. It's a breezy Wednesday with 57 as your high, and then on Halloween, we start out 39 degrees, warming to 58 that afternoon.